Welcome to our English lesson. Today we will understand how present indefinite and future indefinite work together in one sentence to show condition and result. Let's get started. She will not sleep until her mother returns. I will give you my number in case you need help. Whatever you do today will shape your tomorrow. Will you check what this customer wants? I will eat when I get back. If you help me, the plan will work perfectly. If you don't wake up, I'll pour water on your head. I will write it down so I don't forget. You won't feel better unless you take your medicine. When she sees the surprise, she will be happy. I will not eat it, you take it. I will make the food before I go. Aslan will be hungry when she comes. She will always do what she promises. If I wash it more, the color will fade. I'll eat after I wake up. I don't know when they will return. I will tell you when I come. I think you will regret it later if you don't come. I don't know how I'll do it. We'll call if anything comes up. Practice these sentences every day and use them while speaking. See you in the next lesson.